Ready? Start. Upon realization of this fact, the PRAS sought a number of clarifications during their meeting with the COC. The COC, after considering various representations, decided in 18th meeting to go on for the revolution of the assets, and this necessity having arisen due to completion of a number of EPC projects and consequent reduction in the asset base. It was therefore submitted by the learned senior counsel that in the above scenario, it appears plausible that the prospective PRA would quote a plan value which may be far too low in comparison of the fair value of the CD, which was done almost 4 years ago, and there is every possibility that COC would not accept the plan and consequently the CD may have to be liquidated. As such, it is necessary that the fresh valuation is carried out so that the corporate debtor can be reviewed. The following reasons for the purpose of fresh valuation of the corporate debtor to determine the fair value and liquidation value of the corporate debtor as on 20th April 2022 have been expressed largely on the basis of the minutes of 80th COC meeting held on 1st September 2022. This is an application filed by the resolution professional upon the institutions of the Committee of Creditors COC seeking liquidation of the corporate debtor which Visa Resources India Limited on the ground that the corporate debtor has very merged assets and the corporate debtor is non-operational for last 3 years. This adjudicating authority voided its order dated 29/4/2022 on a petition filed by the Punjab National Bank financial creditor under section 7 of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016. Hereinafter, the code directed initiation of the corporate insolvency resolution process CIRP against the corporate debtor and appointed Mr. Kapilender Swain as the interim resolution professional IRP and confirmed his appointment as the resolution professional RP on 28/5/2022. The applicant submits that in terms of section 15 of the code, public announcement was made on 3/5/2022 in Financial Express English Business Standard Bhubaneswar, Pratidin Odia and Ek Din Bengali Kolkata edition newspapers fixing 13/5/2022 as the last date for submitting the claim. The Committee of Creditors COC was duly constituted on 22/5/2022 with financial creditors, and the report certifying the constitution of the COC was filed with the adjudicating authority on 7/6/2022. The first meeting of the COC was held on 28/5/2022, wherein resolution was passed to appoint the applicant as the resolution professional IRP. In the third COC meeting held on 13/7/2022, after detailed discussion, it was resolved, approved by e-voting with 100% voting share to start the liquidation process as per subsection 2 of section 33 of IBC 2016 and appoint Mr. Kapilendra Swain as liquidator for commencing the liquidation process, that the COC has passed resolution by 100% voting shares that the corporate debtor be liquidated under the provisions of section 33 clause 2 of the code. The applicant resolution professional Mr. Kapilendra Swain, IIBI IPA 001 IP P00983 2017-18 11624 has agreed to act as liquidator to carry on the process of liquidation and given his consent to act as liquidator in terms of section 34 clause 1 of the code. We have considered the submission made by the applicant RP in person and perused the record. Section 33 clause 2 of the code enjoins the adjudicating authority to pass another for liquidation of the corporate debtor where the resolution professional at any time during the CIRP but before confirmation of their resolution plan intimates the adjudicating authority of the decision of the COC approved by not less than 66% of the voting share to liquidate the corporate debtor. In the present case, the COC has resolved by 100% voting share to liquidate the corporate debtor.